What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a good day today. And by the title of this video, you guys already know that we're gonna be doing Starlights, and I'm in Florida right now with Caden. We're gonna try and get this done tonight. I know it's gonna take forever, but just bear with me. We already got all the clips off the front, so that clip, this, all you do is pop these metal tabs out. It might feel like it's gonna break, but it's not gonna break at all. Take some getting used to, but I'm taking. Why are you staring at me like that? Yeah? All right, hold on. Right now we're taking off the seat bolts. Voila.
We're at 220 bit, bro.
I think you put it back in there.
Did I?
Hold on. Next, we're gonna be taking these clips off, and then taking this airbag panel off.
Like this. Did you just break it?
Maybe.
Yeah, man, that's broke.
For real?
Yeah.
No?
What?
It's broken, for real?
Yeah.
I just broke it off. It's not gonna go back in there?
I mean, it will, like that, but it's broke. It's supposed to hang down. Like that.
Well, don't apply too much force on getting these off. You'll end up like me and snap it right off. Snap it clean off.
Where's the airbag at?
Is there not one? I don't know why it says that then.
Or is it these little foam pad? That's just foam padding, it looks like.
I don't know. I really can't believe I just snapped that right off. It'll be okay. That's really good.
What?
So take the T20 bit, unscrew this.
Yeah.
Alright, so for this pillar, just go ahead, just pull again.
We're running out of light, but we got it off. We're gonna run to Walmart real fast and get something to poke these holes in, and get some markers, and then it'll be time to start installing this stuff. But about to take his friend on a ride.
Where your key at, man?
Oh yeah, hold on. We'll be fixing the exhaust too, because it's rattling really bad right now. Let me know what you guys think about these. I just got those on. I haven't really showed you guys what I've been doing here recently, but I'll give you guys an update soon. Just keep tapping into these videos and I'll keep showing you guys more. But I'll see you guys when we get back here. Deuce. Alright, we made it back to... I don't know why it keeps doing that, putting glares in the screen, but I think it's because that light right there. We got all the holes on there, and we're putting the wires in now. And it's going pretty well. Still got a lot of wiring to do, but you guys will see the process when it's done. I got some other stuff to show you guys like other wiring that we have to deal with in the back of the car. I have to redo my tail lights, reflectors, side markers, reverse light. I gotta redo all that once we get done with all this. So stay tuned for this to be done and that stuff to be done.
Will you turn it back off?
Purple or green?
Change it to purple. Alright, I'm sorry my GoPro died, but we stayed up all night doing this and made some great progress, but it's very, very time consuming. So if you guys are wanting to do this, make sure you give yourself like, how many hours?
A lot.
Because we stayed up all night doing it. So just make sure you got a decent amount of time on your hands before tackling this, because there's a lot that goes into it and just having to put everything back. But I'm gonna go around and show you guys what. Look, we even had to take the seats out just to make it smoother, like so we didn't mess up the headliner. But it's a mess. We still ain't cut nothing right now, so bear with me, we're getting there. But here is the monstrosity. We're gonna cut it all here soon and show you guys the finished product, and then we'll move on to my tail lights and side markers and reflectors. Hopefully we can get those to work. Since they're just plug and play, it won't take super long. But hope you guys are having a good day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn post notification bell on. Yes, sir. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think it looks really good. He said it could be brighter, but we'll see later tonight. I'm liking it. Let me know what you guys think. And about to move on to the side markers. Alright, I'm turning back around.
This guy forgot his freaking GoPro. Alright, bye, love you. I don't know how this thing works, but I'm about to take y'all out to my vehicular. Tron ain't post nothing on mine. This boy down here in Florida. It's got some wides on it now. Some rock lights, some speakers. Check them speakers out. See them? Yeah, it's ratchet strapped. I know. It's alright. Little bump. Can't post too much on that. Yeah. Wow, look at this guy. He's coming down the road. I don't think I can zoom in on this. Freaking guy. It's pulling up now. He's back. He should just stay here, but it's alright. I'll check out the Starlights we didn't show y'all. Check them out, check them out, check them out. Heck yeah.
I need to change these back to red.